I think the inflation trade, the reflation trade is with us, and I think it'll be with us for a while. I don't think it's going to run out of steam anytime soon. The main risk is the story that you just had before. India, Japan, a couple of other countries, possibly Brazil, really struggling to keep the COVID situation under control. If that becomes more of a problem, then you have a different issue, because then we're back to square one in terms of curtailment of retail, curtailment of the things that sort of everything is opening up, and the commodity cycle on the way. That postpones it, but I don't think it stops it. But that's the risk in the short term.
Right, that was going to bring me to my next question. The rising COVID cases, as you mentioned, in places like India. Is this a near-term risk for the recovery, the global recovery, and is the market perhaps underestimating that?
Well, what we saw last year was initially the market really reacted in a very negative way. And then when policy response came in, it was the exact opposite. Was almost, whatever was happening on the humanitarian side, lockdowns, higher cases, higher fatalities, that didn't seem to impact the market much. And we're almost seeing something similar again. I would suggest it might just be a bit on the complacent side. It's not obvious that it spreads globally and that we have, let's say vaccines don't work and, a really worst case kind of outcome. Far from that. But you would have to say, you have to at least be aware of the risk.